Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix Sketchbook app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Sketchbook and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to storage. After that you can click on clear cache or clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.